Okay, so this is the second part of my little noise experiment. Now I'm inside, and I got this heat pump, air pump on the wall, and we got, let's see, 45, 46 decibels. So it's pretty much the same as down by the ocean. But this sound, this is annoying. It's quite similar, but here it's annoying because this sound does not belong here. Here we want peace and quiet. So context is very important in addition to the character of the sound. You can even you can take pretty much the exact same sound and put it in another context. And in one place it's going to be annoying, and in the other place it's completely fine. This is quite fascinating to me. See you later.